Hi, welcome back.
Fuck.
We're gonna do that again.
Yeah.
Let me finish talking. When I introduce you, you can say hello, okay? Hi, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Christine. This is my daughter, Rachel.
Hi guys.
And today we're gonna do a BoxyCharm, actually, a Boxyluxe unboxing for the month of September. So, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription, and I am not sponsored in any way whatsoever. They don't even know I exist. But I do pay for my own boxes, and I also upgrade I believe it's every 3 months to the Boxyluxe, which is a larger box. And the regular BoxyCharm boxes are $21 a month, and then this box works out to be, I believe it's $49.99, all said and done. So they take your regular amount you would pay for that month, the $21, and they add $28.99, I believe, onto it to bring you up to that cost. But this box is much bigger and has more product in it. So I have already peeked in here because I am that person. I peek, and I do it at Christmas, and I do it on birthdays, and I definitely opened this box, so I do know what I got, and I'm telling you, this is hands down the best box that I have gotten.
I have to say, guys, it is worth it. Like, I'm not gonna spoil anything. This is like really, really amazing. And last time, I think we already did that BoxyCharm.
Yes.
She got a small hair dryer, like a free, small, not free.
I don't know. I can't remember. Was that in BoxyCharm or was that in FabFitFun? Not that it matters, but we have 3 or 4 different subscriptions, and this is our favorite. So let's get to the box. This is this month's box. You open it up, and everything is very well packaged. There's always lots of foam and things in there to keep your items safe. And it comes with a little, kind of like a little postcard to tell you about the products and also how much the products are. So we're going to take a look at that. And we're going to start with the Violet Voss Essentials eyeshadow palette. This retails for $29. And I don't own any Violet Voss eyeshadows right now, so I was really excited when I saw this because I get to try out, not only get a new eye palette, but also try out a new brand. And the colors.
You didn't have to go all the way to like, what was the store? Ulta, like the other store she goes to get her palettes. She actually just gets it here.
It just gets
and it
delivered
gets
right to the
better,
house.
guys. Trust me, it's amazing. Look how pretty.
So this is the half of the cost of this box already in the one palette. And the colors are beautiful. It's a beautiful, you could use this for fall, definitely. We've got beautiful oranges and purples and greens. So pretty. So I was thrilled about that. First thing I pulled out of the box, and I was really excited. Next we have something from Dr. Brandt, which is an expensive skincare brand. This is their Recovery Sleeping Mask. It's a hydrating, recovering sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. This retails for $52. And again, the products in this box are all full size. These are not sample products. So it's a full size.
Full size is a really good perk for this box.
1.7 ounces.
Amazing. And oh, by the way, that smells like coconuts. It is super good.
I don't remember if I introduced. This is Rachel's baby, and her name is Ruby.
Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see her, guys, but
she's been in other videos before. But that's our Ruby baby.
She kind of just hangs out. She
needs to be near, right? Okay, so the next one I'm going to pull out is from a company called Hank and Henry, and it is a liquid liner. It is part of the Slip With It line of eye products. It's vegan and dries down to a satin matte finish. It says it's black. When I put it on my hand, it didn't look the darkest black eyeliner I've ever used, but I will be using it, so you'll see it in videos.
I've ever used that kind of company.
I have never heard of it.
I do kind of wish, since the
it's a brush tip.
the cap is kind of metallic, and I just love the metallic colors. I wish it was.
I know. I kind of wish it was too because it's almost like a dark chocolatey brown bordering on like a wine color, and that would have been really pretty too. I'm not sure what other colors that comes in because I've never had. This is why I love these subscription boxes. It gets me out of my comfort zone. It gets me trying new things, brands I've never heard of before, and I've gotten a lot of holy grail products through my subscription services. So next we've got, I was thrilled about this too because I've been meaning to try this skincare company as well, and now I don't have to.
She's also obsessed with pineapples.
I am absolutely obsessed with pineapples and flamingos. So this is the Glow Recipe Pineapple C Bright Serum, the ultimate brightening serum for brightening and smoothing, formulated with a stable blend of 22% pure pineapple juice. Awesome. It's a natural AHA, which is an exfoliator, and it retails for $49. So this one little bottle is, I think, the price of your box.
We add everything up. Everything is.
It's
much
well over
lower
$300
than the box
if you add it
itself.
up. And also,
Which is actually wow.
it has pineapple juice in it, so it smells like pineapples.
Oh, you smell that pineapple.
Love it.
Plus, it looks like a pineapple.
It looks like pineapple. The whole inside of the box is pineapples. So love it. So
everything
cool.
about it.
Can't wait to try that. Very exciting. Next we have a Moda 8-piece brush kit. Moda brushes you can find at Walmart. You can also order them right off of their website. And I have a few Moda brushes right now. And they're really, really a good staple in my routines. They clean up very well. They seem to be lasting quite a long time. These ones have a black kind of, I don't know what to call that. It's textured. It's like
Studded.
studded almost. You're right. It looks almost studded on the handles.
Also, very soft to
Can I hold that one up?
touch.
Yeah, very, very soft. So yeah, I'll be using those in my videos. I'm sure you'll be seeing those in some of my tutorials and get ready with me. I'm going to go ahead and put them right into my cup of my everyday brushes.
Yep, it's gonna get lost in the sea of brushes she has. Don't worry, they're gonna be used.
They'll be used for sure. That you cannot ever have too many. I shouldn't say that. You probably can have too many brushes, but I'm not there yet.
Sometimes you're gonna have touch.
I'm not there yet. All right, so there's another layer to the box. That's right. We're not done, folks. There's more. We have a Stila Stay All Day Liquid Lipstick. My daughter's favorite liquid lipstick.
Ooh!
The original Power Pout. This is Stila's award-winning full coverage creamy liquid lipstick. Long-lasting color, wears comfortably for up to 12 hours. Enriched with vitamin E and avocado oil. Retail value of this is $22. Awesome. Oh, I didn't tell you the retail value of that brush kit because I bet you can't guess. I bet you can't guess either.
I bet you guys can't guess in the comments down below.
Did you guess?
I kind of looked at it.
You already saw the card.
That's what I was saying.
Were you shocked?
I was shocked. It's the
I'm
most
shocked.
expensive thing.
That 8-pack of brushes retails for $69.99. $70 for that pack of brushes. So, again, the value of this month's Boxyluxe.
Guys, you have no idea how much I love Stila. Stila is my go-to lipstick because I tried Stila and they stay on, and I love that. Most lipsticks that I wear, and yes, I do wear makeup. I know these times I haven't been wearing makeup, but yes, I wear makeup. And I don't know.
It smells good. The color of this is Rubino.
Ooh, and it's also a great fall color.
Isn't that a pretty fall color?
This stays, and I love that. I just absolutely love that. That's why I love Stila so much.
Yeah, it really does. It lasts through eating, drinking, and everything, doesn't it? Next, we have something from IGK. It's a hair product. It's called Mistress. It's a hydrating hair balm. And it's a leave-in conditioning balm that won't weigh your hair down. My hair right now is extremely dry and a bit damaged. I've been getting, I had much longer. It's gotten a lot shorter because I wanted to cut off all the dead parts on my hair. I had a lot of split ends and a lot of breakage, so I'm constantly looking for products that will bring some life and some moisture back to my hair. So I will let you know how that one goes. You know, you have to use these kinds of products for a while before you can tell if they're working or not.
It smells amazing.
It does smell amazing.
All over myself.
Oh my gosh, you did get it all over you. Oh my heavens. It's hair stuff. Look at that. We're trying it right on camera. Oh, she's right. Oh, that smells so good. It smells like coconuts. And, oh, that's lovely. Can't wait to try that on my hair.
I might actually use it because I don't use many hair products, but I might try that because that
She doesn't. She
smells
has
so good.
the most glorious crown of curls that ever was. We love it. Okay, this for me was the star of the show.
Oh my gosh,
because
you guys have no idea.
I squealed with glee. Didn't
Oh
I?
my gosh, I'm excited too because I wasn't expecting that.
No,
I was expecting the Stila and this in here.
It's amazing.
Wasn't expecting.
This is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess, and I'm sure that practically everybody else in the beauty community already has or have had this contour palette, but I have not. So this is my first time with it, and I wanted it. Look at it. Just look.
I mean,
it's the most
look at it.
beautiful
My new
gold,
contour
rose gold
palette.
gorgeousness, and then the shades inside are also beautiful. They're perfect.
They're perfect.
I
And
love it.
guess what, guys?
I guess it's the chisel
it
palette.
gets even better.
Yeah,
It smells amazing.
it does. It smells like chocolate.
Now, I usually use the butter contour. It smells like
Butter bronzer.
coconut butter bronzer. It smells so good,
Mm.
but I might just take it out from her and use it all the time.
She'll have to pull it out of my cold hands. So it has every shade you could possibly need for contouring. We've got a very pretty kind of a glowy bronzer and several matte, and also some brightening powders. And it says chiseled like a diamond on the mirror. And I just love it so much. I was so happy. This was a variant in the box, so you weren't guaranteed to get the Park Avenue Princess.
So glad she did.
And I really had my fingers crossed. It did. I wanted it so much. Several of these things were variances. The Glow Recipe was also one. I think you could get this or a Sunday Riley moisturizer, and also the brush kit. It was the brush kit or a curling wand.
That's right. You can either get that or a curling one. Isn't that amazing, guys?
I would have been happy with the curling wand, and I'm happy with the brushes. Those things, I mean, they were both really awesome products, so there was no being disappointed in this month's box.
Yeah, I wasn't
after
disappointed at all.
After I had seen some of the spoilers, I knew that it didn't really matter what they sent me. I was going to be very pleased, but I am super extra pleased because I got that Tarte palette. I'm just over the moon about it. So, that was our box for this month. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't tell you the price of the Tarte Park Avenue Princess. It retails for $45. So it's been in my cart for quite a while, and I just hadn't
Oh my
went
gosh.
ahead and ordered
And
it.
you got it for like less.
And I didn't. No, I don't have to. So
No, you don't have to.
thank you, Boxycharm, for putting
Thank
together
you
a
so
wonderful
much.
box. And
So
also,
amazing.
I really have to say thank you to my family and my husband, because they really, without them, I wouldn't be getting these monthly gifts. I mean, we make our decisions as a family,
You deserve it,
and
Mom.
we budget out certain things, so this is a really great gift for me every month, and I love it. And it will all go to good use. You'll see it in videos, for sure. You have anything else to add?
Well, I very much like the box. Amazing box. I don't think any other box that we got, except for Graphic Fun, that can rival this box. Like, I can't.
I don't think so either.
But
It's my
you
favorite.
want to tell us many other videos you might be thinking about?
Oh, well, we just uploaded a video about the company that I am now an affiliate for, and that's Pretties for Your Face. Go to their website and check them out. They are really, really wonderful products, and she's such a nice person. It's a very small brand. And if you do order anything, use my code Kristine for some money off. Always love that. It is an affiliate code, so if you don't want to use it, you know, I won't hurt my feelings at all. I just wanted to let you know that up front. And also, I will be filming today a try-on video for Forever 21, and hopefully that one will be up very soon as well. Please subscribe.
Please subscribe to my mom. She's the most awesome mother in the whole world.
Thank
She
you.
deserves it.
And give us a thumbs up. And also click that bell so you can be notified when we do put things up on the old YouTubes. And I think that's all. I think that's all.
I think so.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today. Rachel, I, and Ruby all say good night and bye-bye. Say bye-bye,
Hold on.
Ruby.
Oh, how heavy.
Thank you.
No idea how heavy she is.
Bye.